Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving right in. So I have for the longest time always had an excuse as to why I can't do room makeover videos or why I can't decorate this or because someone such and such isn't done or I don't have this or whatever. I am just, I'm Xing that out. I want to get my house decorated. It has been blank and plain for far too long and it's time to just move in, so to speak. You know what I mean? Like I live here. I've been living here for what, 6-7 months. I want to decorate. That's sort of where this video comes into play. I'm hoping to do a couple of these over the, period of time, maybe this room and my bedroom. So as you guys read by the title, this is going to be us kind of like fully deciding how we're going to decorate this spare guest bedroom. So it's been blank. It's been completely empty for time. We call this Alana and Beth's bedroom because they've stayed in it a whole bunch, and so I'm always like to them, I'm designing your bedroom. But I do live quite far from my friends and family, so this is a room that my dad has stayed in also that is going to be used as a guest bedroom. So we have to keep that in mind. Okay, that being said, let's hop into this. Let's create a mood board. Let's find our product. Let's do it all. Okay, I've just hopped right here so that you guys can build this mood board with me. So let me just take you guys to my Pinterest board for the guest bedroom. This is sort of the vibe. I want it to be very serene. So you can see it's a lot of white, a lot of rattan, there's some natural elements, there's some peach, there's some burnt orange, there's some photos. So if you take anything away from this, it's probably that I want a white bed, so like white bedding. So I'm really drawn towards this image in particular. So this is just all white bedding with, they have like a little textured throw on the end of it. So I want to start off with that. Let's bring this bed in. So I've opened Photoshop and I'm just gonna go new and I'm just gonna create like a blank canvas. Like, so mine is just 48 by 36. So normally to do this, like you can just screenshot like your inspiration. I can pull it up in Photoshop and then I can just cut out the bed, just kind of like a collage thing to really get like our inspiration flowing. So to just select the bed, I'm just gonna use this quick selection tool over here. You see there's a plus, so it tries its best to select what it thinks you want, but sometimes it'll select too much of the background, etc. But this did pretty well. But say it selected the headboard, if I just press Option on my keyboard, it turns that into a minus, and then I can just click on that and I can take away the headboard that we didn't want just by doing that. So then you're just gonna switch to this move tool and we're gonna move this over to our little mood board. So then you can like play with it, you can make it bigger, put it on there, etc. Let's go back to our Pinterest board. If you look, you can see that I'm loving sort of these like white side tables, and that's something I really want to bring into the space. So I'm really inspired by this image, how it has like a very simple like neutral headboard with a light. So I actually know that Struck Tube has something. Yeah, it's called Remy. So I actually have this already. I bought this. So that's sort of how kind of it inspired me. It's not my dream night table. I'd like something with a little bit more like detailing or something, but similar to this. And because I already have this, this is what we're going to use. So I'm just gonna save this to my Pinterest board so that like if you guys wanna see this board, you guys can go in the down bar and like find it. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna cut out the side table and you're gonna bring it into your little spot. So there's the side table. Now I wanna go back and I wanna find some sort of like light fixture like this. And you guys, I was looking on Urban Outfitters and I found the most amazing light fixture, so I have to show you guys it. It's like a fairly new light that they just put out. Look at this. How amazing is this light fixture? I was like, okay, this is perfect. Sort of like this rusty pink. If you guys know Urban Outfitters, you know that their lighting colors are never accurate. Why is this? So I'm expecting it to be a like not this exact color, but that's fine. Again, we're gonna bring the light into our bedroom sort of setup. So that's sort of the vibe. It's probably gonna actually be a little bit smaller, assuming. So maybe if I just make it a little bit smaller. Right now, in this bedroom, I actually have this like rattan light fixture thing up there from Article. Because the other light that I'm bringing in is such a statement piece, I'm thinking about taking this one down, just putting like a really simple white light up there so that this light can be sort of the centerpiece of this room. I'm not 100% yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Now for headboards, you guys obviously know, like, I like this sort of like rattan, very simple headboard. However, I'm not looking to spend a crap ton of money on this spare bedroom makeover, and I don't really want to go and buy something super expensive. I know I could DIY it, but I saw this picture on Instagram. The account is Mara Serene, but I saw this and I really like that this like brings in that really natural sort of look that I feel like I'm going for. And the bonus here is that I actually already have something that's like this. What happened was Aerie had this window display at the mall, and I was like, it was like this stuff, and I wanted it so bad. I was talking to my friend Beth about it, and she was like, I have a friend that works at Aerie, so I could ask her, they could keep it for you. So she essentially asked, and they said yes. So when they took it down, they were like taking it down, I think like that day, they just saved it for me, and I went and picked it up, and now I have a bunch of this grass stuff. So I'm going to, it's in like different pieces. I'm gonna have to like tie them together, but I think that's fine. Let's add the headboard in. Like, how cool does that look? It brings in that natural texture. I'm loving this. I do want a rug, but I don't want something that's like super hard to clean. I want just something that's like really good and easy for the dogs, but I would like something to anchor this. I'm a big fan of like jute with my dogs because it's hard to tell when it's dirty. It's easy to clean. It's easy to vacuum. Big fan of jute. And I've had my eye on this circular type jute rug. This is just from Amazon. I just pulled this from Amazon. I would love to do this. So what I've done is I've gone and ordered the light fixture, and I already have the end table. I'm gonna order some white sheets just from IKEA. I have this top piece, and then this rug I'm gonna look on like Amazon tonight, or maybe like Home Depot or some sort of rug situation, and I'm gonna find a rug, but I don't know where I'm gonna find the rug. I will have a link in the bio of whichever rug I do end up getting. An image that I've loved for a really long time is this image. I have an arched mirror that I could make work, and I think it would be so fun to create like a little get ready spot for, like, you know, if Lana and Beth come over, Desi comes over, but people can just like, you know, do their makeup or whatever. I think that would be nice because we only have one bathroom in this house. I have a West Elm like entryway table thing that will work, and I have a mirror already that I got from HomeSense, but it's black, so I will definitely have to spray it like probably like a bronzy color, because this one's pretty bronzy. Yeah, I even love the vase with like the dried flowers. So let's bring this into our little Photoshop document. Like, this looks so good, does it not? I'm really loving this. I definitely am gonna have to paint the mirror, and the desk I have has like white drawers, so it's not gonna be like exactly like this. It's gonna be more like, this is gonna be bad, but it's gonna be more like this. It has like two white drawers at the front, but like whatever, I think that's okay. And I'm also thinking that when there aren't guests here, we can use this as like a little computer desk. So Michael has nowhere to really put like his laptop, and like we have a really tiny printer. So I was thinking about putting those into the drawers. I did see Indigo has this amazing pedestal planter. It's a planter, so you have to put a plant in it, but I don't know. I'm hoping that it goes all the way down. I guess I'll figure that out. So I'm gonna order one of these. I'm gonna add that to cart. And I feel like this would be really pretty put in our little thing. So let me just drag this over, make this smaller. Okay, so there it is. Like, I think that's cute. There's a bunch of these like mood boards and stuff on Pinterest, and I love them so much. And this one really speaks to me. I just love like the pink, the orange, the white, the neutral. And so I really want to do like a DIY planter like this one here. I think it's just like the coolest thing. I do want to like add in the fact that we have a window here, and I know that Urban Outfitters has some really nice curtains, but I think they're on back order until like March. Yeah, look at these curtains in white, like so stunning. So I've seen Becky from the Sorry Girls like DIY curtains like this. So I'm going to take a note from her book, and I think I'm going to DIY these curtains because again, back order for March 10th, and like I don't have time. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Let me just bring this little window in to play. Look at how nice that is, like brings in a nice natural like texture. But then I'm thinking we could do that like plant pot somewhere like in front of it, you know? Like look how cute this pot is. This pot brings in the color of the like lamp above the side table. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna wait until we get the lamp. I've already ordered it, and then once it's here, like I will try to DIY this plant pot and like match the colors. And then I have a cactus, which I think would look really, really sweet inside of it like this. So bring a little bit of color in. Eventually, I think on the, like beside the cactus, I'd like to put some art. So if the art could have some like green or orange or something in it to bring a little bit more color into the space, I think that would be really good. I'd like to do like a throw pillow, and you guys, okay, there's this pillow that has literally been my favorite pillow forever. It's like one of these pillows from Pampa, but it's so pricey. Okay, let me show you. The medium one is $181, and they have it in this beautiful burnt orange color. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Like how beautiful is this? They have pink too. So I decided like to throw on a couple pillows. So here's a pink pillow on the bed. I feel like we don't need more pink. I feel like we need a pop of something else. So I really like the way this orange pillow looks on here. And I'm thinking again, another DIY, because your girl just cannot 200 buckaroonies for a pillow. I can't do it. I can't do it. So I'm thinking a DIY of this pillow. Target sells this one. It's like super similar. Been thinking about ordering this one from Target, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I can like find the supplies to DIY a pillow. If not, this one from Target is also a really great option. So you guys, this is basically the plan for the room. I think I want to do like 2 pieces of art on the wall. I think I'd also like to get some hooks. If people are over and they have like their purse or their coat or whatever, they could like have it in the room with them. I'm thinking this could also work really well as like a filming room, like because if I can make it this cute, I think it would be really cute. But this is basically what we're going to create, and I hope you're excited for the room makeover video, because I am. Hopefully we can make it as cute as this. So if you guys are interested in anything I like talked about in this video, I'm going to link it all down below. I'm also going to link the Pinterest board so you can get more inspiration from that. And there's going to be a makeover video of this. So I think that's pretty cool. You'll be able to see this like come to life. Please let me know if you liked a video like this. This one was a little bit more pre-planned. I sort of like knew going into it like what I liked already, but I could also do one of these where I literally like from scratch design a room and like spend hours filming probably to find all of the things. But I thought, you know what, it's probably a bit better for the length of this video to sort of have an idea going into this. All right, hopefully this doesn't take forever. We're in the middle of a pandemic. It's hard to get home decor, but we'll see. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.